Hello student, welcome to the next video of Business Studies class 12 and this is lesson 11 marketing management. So now let's see the next element of marketing mix and that is price. So what is the meaning of price? Sum of values that consumers exchange for the benefit of having or using the product. Price may be therefore defined as the amount of money paid by a buyer in consideration of the purchase of a product or service. Means when the buyer they purchase a product or they avail any service, so what they need to pay, they need to pay the price to the seller. So price is the process of fixing the value of a product or service, and customer is very sensitive to this element, student, because means the demand of the product may fall or increase just because of it, means increase or decrease of the price of that particular product. If the price of any particular product increases, may be possible that the demand may decrease. So even a little variation in the price may increase or decrease your demand of that particular product, and price should match by the utility offered by the product. And yes, price is always expressed in monetary term. It is money which a buyer gives when he or she buys something. So now let's see, there are certain factors determining the price. Means what are the factors which help in determination of the price? So they are pricing objectives, product cost, utility and demand, extent of competition in market, government policies and marketing methods used. So let's see the pricing objective first. So the objective of a firm is very important factor which helps in deciding the price. The pricing objective of a firm includes obtaining market share leadership, surviving in competitive market and attaining product quality leadership. So what is this pricing objective? Means what is the objective of the firm is a very important factor. So if the objective of a firm is to obtain market share leadership, means like suppose if a firm they wants to capture big share in the market, then they have to keep its price low so that more and more people are attracted to purchase the product. So this pricing, the objective of this price, it is on the basis of obtaining market share leadership. Like suppose if my company, it is right now I have 10% market in Indian market and I want to extend it say 20%. So because I want to obtain market share leadership, so it may possible that I need to decrease the price of my product so that more and more customer can purchase it. Then if suppose my objective is surviving in competitive market, because you know it is very tough to survive in the market because there are many and many competitors in the market. So if one needs to survive in a competitive market, then the firm they have to reduce their price by offering discount, because again I want more and more customer for my product. So what I need to do, I need to decrease the price, and and means one need to give some discounts also. If suppose the objective is attaining product quality leadership, means if suppose I want that the quality of my product should be of A1 quality, means there is no other product of this quality, then in this case generally high prices are charged to cover the cost, and because there is high cost of research and development done, so therefore for the high quality the prices will be high. So depending on these three factors the pricing objective is decided. Then comes your product cost. The second factor kept in mind while fixing the price is the cost of product or service. The price is fixed after calculating the total cost. Means the next important factor which is kept in mind while fixing the price is the product or the service cost. The price of the product must be able to cover the total cost of product. Total cost means the fixed cost, variable cost, like the cost of raw material, then the wages and salary given to the workers, rent of the factory. It should cover all these costing also. All these costing are added in the product, and then the price is fixed after calculating all these costs. And if suppose means in case of high competition, and if suppose the company they want to get big share of the product, so for this they can fix low price, but while fixing the low price, again the company has to keep this in mind that at least the price must cover the variable cost. Fixed cost can be ignored once because it can be done in the long run, it can be covered in the long run, but still the variable cost has to be covered. Then comes your utility and demand. Utility provided by the product and the demand for the product set the upper limit of price that a buyer would be willing to pay for a product. So let's see what utility means. So this utility, it is actually the satisfaction provided by the product. So if the utility is higher or more, means if the satisfaction is more, then what will happen? The buyer would be prepared to pay high price. And just likewise, when the demand for the product is inelastic means when there is no or very less substitute are available, then what will happen? Then the price of the product rise, and then too it does not affect the quantity demanded by buyer. If suppose there is only one type of coffee available in the market, that is say Nescafe is only available in the market and no other substitute is there, and suppose in a month I consume almost half kg of coffee in a month. So though if the price of the Nescafe will increase, then too the demand won't decrease, means the quantity demanded by me will be the same because there is no other substitute available. Okay, but if the demand is elastic, means more and more substitutes are available, then even a small rise in the price of the Nescafe, what will happen? Means the quantity demanded will be less. Clear? Then comes the extent of competition in market. Prices of the competitor and their anticipated actions need to be considered before fixing the price. Means what? Like there are means another factor is your competitors. This factor has to be kept in mind while setting up the price. Means the level of competition the firm has to face. When a firm has the firm does not have to face any competition, then it can enjoy complete freedom in fixing the price. But when the competition is more, then the price is fixed keeping in mind the price of the competitor's product also, isn't it? Like I will give you one example, like Pepsi company, they cannot fix the price of its drink without considering the price of Coke or the other cold drinks available in the market. Means for fixing the price, they have to see the price of their competitor also, because as I've already told you that even a little bit of increase in the price, your customer will switch to for another product. Clear? Then government policies. In public interest, the government can intervene, regulate the price of the product. So in order to protect the interest of public against unfair trade practices, government they regulate the price. With government intervention, there can be check on the price of the common essential products. And what are the essential products? Such as medicine, petrol, LPG, etc. So company should not charge unfairly high price, otherwise it would invite government action. Then comes your marketing methods use. So price fixation process is also affected by other elements of marketing such as distribution system, sales promotion of efforts, etc. So what is this marketing method use? Means the price of the product also affected by the various techniques of marketing used to promote the product. Like if a company is using intensive advertising to promote the product, then it will charge high price. And there are certain other marketing methods also, like which affect the price of the product: packaging type, distribution system, salesman employed, customer support services. So these are also some of the marketing methods used by the company, and it also affect the for the price. So these are this is all about the price mix and the factors which is kept in mind while fixing the price of a commodity or service. So that's all for this video, student. Thank you, take care, and please do like, share and subscribe the video, and in case of any problem you can ask me through comment box. Thank you.